To complete this assignment, you will first need to open this document in Photoshop. Next, you will find the eyedropper tool on your toolbar. Make sure that your workspace is set to Essentials in order to have your toolbar look like mine. If you're not sure or you need to reset it, just go up to Window, go to Workspace, and make sure that it's set to Essentials, or you can reset Essentials. So using the eyedropper tool, we're going to select each color of the butterfly. On a single toolbar, the eyedropper tool is located right about here, and if yours is expanded, you can use the arrow keys to adjust whether you have a single column of tools or a double column. So if I click this, your toolbar might look a little bit like this one, and the eyedropper tool is located here. I prefer the single row, so I'm just going to click and make it back to single, and click on the eyedropper tool. If your eyedropper tool doesn't look like this one, it might be set to a different option for eyedropper. Just left click and hold it and switch to your eyedropper tool. So number one, we're going to be working with this area here and this purple color. So if you're not able to see it that well, you can zoom in using your magnifying glass or your zoom tool. And I can zoom in a little bit, or you can use your keyboard shortcut by holding down Command or Control and pressing the plus key. So now that I have my eyedropper tool, I'm going to click here in this purple area, and that sets my foreground color to that color that I have just clicked on. To see what the color code number is for the HSB for number 1, if I click on the foreground option, it brings up my color picker box, and I can see that HSB corresponds to 267, 80, and 29. So that's hue, saturation, and brightness. So I can either remember this number, or I can write it down, or I can just open it up as I need it to complete this. So I will click OK, switch to my type tool. You can choose whatever font style you would like for this. I'm using Arial regular, and mine is at 18 point. So I will just draw out a box. And I don't have to worry about the position of the box at all, because I can always move it after I'm done. So when I draw the box out and you see all of that fill text in there, that's okay. It's just showing you what your text looks like. I can press delete on my keyboard while all of that's selected to get rid of it, and then I can start to type. If you've already clicked off of this box and it looks something like this, instead of pressing delete repeatedly, if I select all of the text by double clicking in here, then I can just press delete. Now I'm ready to type in my box. So just for a refresher, I can click foreground color, and I'm going to type 267, 80, and 29. And click the check mark. Then I can reposition this by using the move tool and just move it over. Done. So I will do each of these for this assignment, and that's what you'll need to complete. Each one of the color modes is labeled for you. Once you're complete, turn it in the way your teacher directs you to do so.